In today's fast-paced world, education must evolve to meet every learner's unique needs. Imagine a classroom where the lessons are designed just for you. Welcome to the era of personalized learning with AI. Adaptive learning platforms powered by artificial intelligence transform traditional education. These platforms analyze your learning style, pace, and strengths in real time, tailoring educational content that fits you perfectly. No more one-size-fits-all. Instead, each lesson adapts to ensure you fully grasp every concept before moving forward. Whether you're a visual thinker, an auditory learner, or someone who learns best by doing, AI ensures that the content is just right for you. It tracks your progress, identifies challenges, and delivers targeted feedback to build your confidence. This personalized approach not only makes learning more engaging, it's proven to boost understanding, retention, and overall academic achievement. With every click and interaction, AI refines the learning journey, ensuring that no student is left behind. Adaptive learning platforms are breaking down barriers, creating equal opportunities for growth, and paving the way for a future where every mind can thrive. Embrace the power of AI-driven, personalized learning, where your education is as unique as you are. Discover your potential, experience the future of education today.